Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we are talking about an app called Chipper Cash. Now, what is Chipper Cash? Chipper Cash is actually an application that allows you to send money to other mobile money users like Mobile Money, Vodafone Cash, Tigo Cash, and then the rest. But specifically, Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, and Vodafone Cash. And not only internally, but also externally, meaning you could send it to other people in other countries as well. And these countries include Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda. Now, this is how the app's interface looks like, and it's cool because you can send money at no charge. I mean, it's at zero cost and it's free. And you can transfer money from your mobile money wallet or directly from the Chipper Cash wallet account to other accounts. So as you can see here, I just downloaded the application to review it. So this is a brief summary of what I've done, and I tried sending money to other people, but because of the review I'd have to resend another one so that I could actually prove to you. And so I'll be sending money to a couple of people here, and so I'll send money to this guy, and then I'll just enter the amount. So as of now I only have 20 pesos in my account, so I'll just enter the amount, and then you write what it is for. It doesn't necessarily mean you should write anything. If you don't want to, you can just leave it there. So I'll just say food, and then I'll just click on pay. So right there, the transaction is free. I send it to him, it goes to him, and then when it goes into his Chipper Cash account, he'll just accept it, and then done. So you realize that I've sent him 20 cedis, for 20 pesos for food, and so it's there in his account, and then he can actually save it or transfer it to his mobile money wallet directly. Because when you are starting your um, registration, you are asked to actually input your number, and then they ask you to, you know, select your preferred mobile money option, preferred wireless cash transfer option. So when I come to my profile here, okay, I think I have to create my Chipper Cash tag, and then yeah, I'll set this one. So when I come here, I actually have the chance to share my payment link so people can pay me through that option, but I won't be doing that now, so I'll just close it. And then we come here. So here at cash out, we have the option for you to cash out your money to your mobile money wallet. I don't have any money in it now, so I might do that later when there's money in my account. And you can select your preferred option. So if you are sending it to an MTN line, you just select the MTN number, you enter your mobile money number, and then you transfer it. If it's Airtel Tigo, you enter it and then you transfer it. And then if it's a Vodafone, you transfer it. And note, all of this is free. You don't pay anything, no charges. So for people in Ghana, for people in Rwanda, Tanzania, and Uganda, you can actually use this. And also, there's one. The coolest part is you can share the link and then earn money once you download the application. And not only do you get the chance to earn money by inviting people, but the people you invite to, immediately they accept your invitation, and then they verify their accounts. Okay, you can verify your account from here. So when you verify your account, you use a voter's ID card, a Senate card, or a driver's license or passport to verify. Immediately you verify, you get 5 CDs instantly. So the link will be down in the description below, and you guys could check it out and follow up to download the application as well. So this is it for the application, and if you have any questions about the app, I'll be there in the comment section to help you out. So my name is Delpy, and please make it a point to subscribe, leave a like, and share it as wide as possible. Peace out.